place to get a grab and go. $5, a bunch of $5 options. Daiquiri, shots, cocktail. Yeah, right here, right when you come into the Canal shops. At the -5 bar. This is a new place here for ice cream. Choc CCLN. I don't know what that says. CCLN. Oh, some of those words. Okay. Oh, chocolate? No. I don't know what the hell it says. Anyway, it's that stuff that they can make look like dog poop, but it tastes good. This place is doing really well. Sourdough and Company. Sandwiches are $15.95, which isn't terrible. I mean, you're on vacation. Well, I'm not, but you are. They look really good. Add $5 with chips and a drink. And this Popeyes is cheaper than any other Popeyes on the strip. For some reason, I don't know. They've got $6 specials, 3-piece tenders. The sandwich is $6.79. Looks like $6.79 for the sandwich. It's not bad. This is brand new. LA Brisket. Thank you. Holy shit. $18 for a half a pound of pork. $21 for the brisket. Holy shit. That's fantastic. Panda Express. $10.50 for a bowl, 1-in-1. $12.30 for a plate, 2-in-1. Oh man, that brisket. She gave me a sample of that brisket. Holy shit, that's fantastic. LA Brisket is the name of it. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to go home and go to sleep. 4 individual pizzas for $60. Pizza by the slice, $9.99 for a deluxe. Not bad. And the name of this place is Social Pizza. Oh, Social Life Pizza. I've never heard of it. And I like to buy stuff from places I've never heard of, actually. Jonathan is still getting $22 for his cheeseburger and fries, and $8.50 for a milkshake. Yep, $22 for the cheeseburger and fries. Here's what the fries look like. Curry pot. Mango lasso, $6. Lasso, $5.50. I'm not going to be able to pronounce any of that, sorry. Anyway, it's curry pot. Jaybirds. Chicken sandwich and fries, $13.85. Tenders and waffle, $12.50. That place the food looks unbelievable. And then all this meat right here. Wow. Pulled chicken sandwich, $12.99. Pork plate, $15. I'll never get the names right on this one, I promise. It's a Filipino kitchen. Reasonably priced, but I have no idea what that food is, to be truthful. Small pork plate, $11.25. A burger for $17.99. Lamb chops, $27. Look at those potatoes. They look really good. You know what I'm saying? Really good. This is one of the best food courts. Oh, I forgot to tell you, there's Chipotle. Chipotle is, a chicken burrito is only $10.50 at Chipotle? I didn't know that. That's better than I thought. A steak burrito is $12.25. You can make that a bowl or a taco or a salad. Chipotle's pretty reasonable, isn't it? I'm talking to myself. Haagen-Dazs, ATM. Yeah, we don't need to know about those prices. So, I was going to say, that is the best food court in Las Vegas. I can't think of any food court that competes with that, because the prices are low and the variety is perfect. Lobster roll, $31. $2 more if you want it hot. Lobster grilled cheese, $23. I don't know anyone that's had that. I'm truthful. truck. Burrito at that place is $25.
No, I know, and that's why I'm considering if because we don't have.
So not only does Venetian have a fantastic food court upstairs in the Canal shops, this food court right off of the casino floor is extremely reasonable. Extremely. You get a slice of pizza for $6.50 on the floor. Well, you don't have to eat it off the floor, but on the casino floor at Venetian. That's crazy. $8.50. They went up $2. They should have. I mean, that makes sense. The Sicilian specialty is $10. I think they fold it up for you for some reason. And that's something they saw in a mafia movie, I think. And then I can't find anyone eating a big chicken wing. I want to see how big these chicken wings are. 3 chicken wings for $15.
riflesso d'oro, un sogno si stende senza un decoro. Cammino su acque, ma non sono vere, le gondole cantano storie sincere. Oh Venezia viva, nel deserto che brilla, con maschere e stelle, la fortuna si infila, qui il tempo si perde tra il falso e il reale. Oh Venezia viva, un amore fatale, ponti sospesi su fiumi di niente, ma il cuore ci crede, si sente presente. Un palazzo di carte, un cielo dipinto e il vento di sabbia che soffia distinto. Le mani si stringono, il dado rotola, il destino danza, la notte consola. Oh Venezia viva, nel deserto che brilla, con maschere e stelle, la fortuna si infila, qui il tempo si perde tra il falso e il reale. Oh Venezia viva, un amore fatale. Le colonne raccontano di un mondo lontano, dove il sogno si compra con un gesto profano, ma il cuore si perde tra i giochi e le luci, un eco di laguna che qui mi seduce.